It's too early for this shit. So we're back again. How good does that feel? Yeah, we're at NGen for the Wake the Neighbors second breakfast run. First one was really good. Sad I had to miss out on it, but had a Ferrari run to tend to. And today we've got this. And then later on today, once we're done with this, we're going to be heading to Maiden's Cove in Camps Bay for another Matt and Clark park off, the second one they've had. The first one was amazing, I'm sure you remember it. If you do want to check it out, it is down in my videos. You can scroll down, it'll be there somewhere. It was a while ago, no, it wasn't that long ago, but either way. It should be a fun day, should be a good day out as usual. I'm going to catch some of the cars coming in. There is a white R8 that blew past me that's sitting down that side somewhere that we'll check out, and then all the cars will be over down there as usual. And yeah, I look forward to it. It's good to be back. I kind of missed it over the Easter, but I hope everyone had a good Easter nonetheless. And yeah, we'll get straight to it. So M2, and then over there is the R8 I was speaking about that pissed off past me like I wasn't moving, which was crazy. Also, I was daydreaming a little bit, so it's a bit fair actually. M2 over there, and I just don't know what these are. They look sick. I've seen this red one tons of times actually. They look sick nonetheless. And you got the like little sports car squad over here, over there. Nice little V10. Okay, well, while we're waiting, there's some cars that's over there. A couple that have pulled up, and then down this side, pretty sure that's an E46 M3 just chilling. And we've got yellow Supra coming in. That's part of the Wake Neighbors. So got some action a little bit. Gonna wait for that E46 to come past as well. Here's the Supra. There's the E46. I was distracted by the Miatas and the GR Yaris leaving. Apparently the E46 is as well. Huh. I was hoping to join. But apparently not. Sure. 320 sounds clean actually. Bit of a tune. Got another M2 pulling through here. Okay, looks like we've got a small crew rolling in. Tanya's M4. GR Corolla. I assume to be a 135 or 140. Can't tell from here. Got this active hybrid 3 series that's like at every meet, but I think it has a B58 engine in it. I really don't know. This thing to me is just perpetually a mystery. But it sounds good. I've only just realized it's a GL63S AMG, and I only realized that because as I came down there I could hear a V8. Yeah. It's picking up. It's not as big as it was last time, or there's not as many nice cars per se as last time, but it works, which is cool. Dude, what even is this Rio? What is going on? The thing is so riced out, it's actually kind of funny, I'm not gonna lie. And over here I heard a V8 S4, there it is. And then behind it was an A45 AMG, I can't find it though. Oh, there it is. Found it. I'm gonna be honest, that's like the 7th S1000 I've seen this morning. But it does sound good, those pops are crazy. But yeah, it looks like everyone's getting ready to leave now and head off. So I'm gonna hang around here and catch them getting out. What the heck? I don't even know what to say, man. Yo, C63S goes hard, dude. I honestly find that timing impeccable. Also 4th of 8 GT3 M3. I literally was here not even 5 minutes ago, and it was just that 4th of 8. Went to go pee, came back, GT3 M3. As I switch the car off, those cars come past. I find that to be the sexiest timing ever. Anyways, how sick is this? How sick is that, man? OG 308s in white, and it sounds amazing actually. Honestly, it looks beautiful in white, I can't lie to you. That thing looks amazing in white. I don't know why, but the F-Type Loki sound really good. Oh, hold on. My baby is here. Oh, a beautiful beast. I love you so much. Oh. So that massive rally of bikers kind of tuned out the 3RS starting up, but hey, we waited and it kind of paid off a little bit. sounds so good. I don't know how I caught up to them, but this crew is ridiculous. This M4 is ridiculous. I've never heard anything like it, man. I'm trying my best. I'm not good at the record and drive. Yes! Yes, this M4 pisses off, man. Holy shit. Yes, this M4 is hectic. Yes. You mad? Nah, bruh, the burbles on this thing is ridiculous. It's so loud, man. Are you mad? Nah, this thing's crazy. Yes. Nah, you mad? Crazy stuff. Yo, nah, guys, how crazy is this? The chance that we just catch up to these guys as we're leaving Franschhoek. And look at this lineup. It's such an insane lineup. That G82 is mental, and we've got the F82 there, and that TTRS is crazy too. Don't even get me started. Nah, that's fucking crazy. Holy shit, that thing's loud. Sure. 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 Those intakes are mad, actually. Hectic. Alright, they're off. That's where we part ways. Mad, bruh. Absolutely mad. What a turn of events, eh? Crazy. Crazy, crazy, crazy.